I'm Chad Bennett, and this is my bike check. Starting with the grips, I have the premium counterfeit, the demolition PA bars. I have a fit stem with the colony forks, super sick. And front wheel, I'm running the Alienation Deviant front rim with the demolition front hub. And both tires, I'm running the demolition momentums. Then let's go middle part of the bike. It's cranks. I got salt cranks with a Eastern sprocket, both Odyssey pedals, and a Shadow half-link chain. And for my seat, I got the Shadow fat shit seat. And for the back wheel, I got the Demolition Momentum back wheel too. Oh, wait a minute, it's Demolition Momentum back tire. And the Primo Mix back hub with the Alienation 440 rim. And the pegs I'm running are the Demolition Nunchuck pegs. And I'm going to do a 360 for you guys.
I got the frame.
And, oh yeah, by the way, I have an Eastern frame. It's the Eastern Growler frame.